Starting with my cake mix. I'm using a Zero Sugar Moist Supreme Classic Yellow Cake Mix. You could make your own, do whatever you like. If you could get any type of yellow classic cake mix, go for it. But I'm using sugar-free because I'm just reducing my sugar. And I'm gonna set this right here in my mixing bowl. Instead of 1/3 cup of oil, I'm going to swap that out with 1/3 cup of melted butter. And this is real butter. I'm not going to use 3 eggs, but I'm going to add an extra one. So this is 4 eggs going in. Instead of 1 cup of water, I'm using 1 cup of full fat milk. Pumpkin spice mix. I have about 2 tablespoons. Use whatever you like to mix this. I'm just going to use a fork. My cupcake papers are fall inspired. I have these ones, and these are the ones that I have in the pan right now. They have these nice little fall leaves. These are ready for the oven. Let's get them in. I have my oven preheated to 325. Let's cook these for about maybe 15 to 19 minutes until they're fully cooked. And we're going to top them with some icing. These are out of the oven and ready to cool. Not going to be using no fancy pastry bag, not for this. I'm just gonna go in with my regular knife. And it's actually like a knife and spatula all in one. That's just my opinion. And I'm going to put a good amount of my frosting on here. You just want to put this in the middle and just kind of work it around. These are not going to look exactly the same. You're going to use your spatula or whatever you want to use. I'm using my flathead knife, and I'm just going to put that in the middle and just work myself around and just put a dollop on top. Lily's chocolate salted caramel chips. I just thought this would be good for like pumpkin spice seasoning. I don't know, I'm just going for it and came up with my own thing. So I'm gonna set some of these on here and just toss them on. Now that I have my chocolate salted caramel chips on, I'm going to lightly dust this with some pumpkin seasoning, just lightly, just to make it all come together. This is my take on some less sugar pumpkin spice cupcakes. These right here have some caramel salted sugar-free Lily's chocolate chips. Next time I will shave them on or make it look more fancy. I just wanted to see how it tastes for the first time. But yeah, so it's not really that fancy. It just is what it is. But this was just for a first time trial, and they taste pretty good. I think shaving them on and just making it look a bit more aesthetically pleasing, and it will make it taste better too. That's just my opinion. So this was just for a trial thing as far as for the chocolate chips. And these right here are my favorite. Just a light dusting of the pumpkin spice. And these are amazing. So that's all you need. That's my opinion. So try this out. You're gonna love it, and I'll see you in my next upload. I am ready for my next batch, and maybe next time I will add the Lily's chocolate salted caramel chips after I put the dust on, but I don't know. What do you think? I kind of like my little chips having a bit of dust on them.